And I see that woman still so borrow money from blood clot bank and give me and say, yo, don't take no show from nobody. Then time when me there run a Romeich, I get 8 grand for a show. 7 grand, 6 grand, man, I'll style with. You see me? And Sharon say, yo, don't take no show. We are bring your show, them go straight at 25,000 US. Straight at 30,000 US. Just wall out. I still sound wall out. I don't no dub. Some selector, I say a style, because they feel like so they can link some other man and get Teejay dub for this and that. And I still so, wall me one, brother. Like, wall me one. And I say, wall me one, me no party. Me no gossip up, me no laugh with people, me no drink, no rum with them, because I know the style.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Romeich Ent Chat. And you don't know, we have to take the time frame. Thanks Father God say we have life. And before me jump in at this, I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on that video here. And just to make everybody know, this is the official channel for Reggae Sting this year, everybody. So just subscribe, because we are going to push out all of the dancehall performances them. But anyway, people, you don't see what going on right here. So Teejay, him kinda spill him guts. You understand? Teejay, I tell everybody what going on. Everybody would speculate the reason Teejay stop work with Romeich. All of them think that him actually spill him guts right here. So him tell you what going on. You understand? And I sit down and listen to the interview, and I don't know, it come across really, it can be really emotional. You understand? In terms of hearing with somebody I forgot you understand them experience with dealing with different persons in the music industry and so on, as well as you can listen to it and maybe think of something else. You understand? Because to me, him go really deep. You understand? In terms of him talk like a bag of things. I never feel like him ever talk too much things. You understand? But I go run the rest side people and just let me know how you feel. So him basically said the reason him left Romeich because you don't know. Basically Romeich take him for fool. You see me? Him say him never alright with the money when I make over Romeich. Because remember one time him did left Romeich and everybody that speculate what the reason. Him say, no man, everything good man, but just a move on man. Yeah, right. Because him actually come and tell we now say, because you don't know, you must feel like Romeich and that take him for fool. Be a stylings and them look a thing there. Select a when him work with Romeich and them thing there. And then after that him further and go down in the whole solid agency thing and tell us say, yo, Sharon Burke contribute a lot to him career and so on. So him basically I tell us say him have grounds, reasons why him for this Popcaan and so on. You see me? Him also shed light on the whole Burna Boy concert for say the reason why Popcaan feel like say Sharon Burke have something to do with the downtime of his performance was because apparently Teejay wanted to be on the Burna Boy show. You understand? And when he asked to be on the show, he said someone said, in other words, them no want to work with him on the show. If him on the show, them no want them on the show. So basically the only dancehall giant that was on that show was Popcaan. You understand? So him basically I say a Popcaan said that. You get me? Anyway people, I just drop that video here for get down in the details right, and anything you just left a comment and we'll just go through it. You understand? Big up on yourself, Romeich Ent Chat.
Big old Burna Boy show go on, and I say Sharon what go on, you produce Burna Boy show. Sharon Burke I say, yo, Jano, I'm not even going to do the rest of them. I swear, I say, Jano, mama, what go on, how Teejay in the Burna Boy show. I say, yo, somebody say, if Teejay upon that show, the promoter them can keep their money. Enough bumbo clat black bag bandwagon and blacklist me getting it, man. I'm just the all the same way, but today I just feel like talk because me and nobody can tell me if a bumbo clat tapping eyes. You see me? Big man thing. Enough boy wanna feel like say real in a dancehall music. You know real, you hear? But with they I see him way man I laugh, man. You hear? And I watch his style and his craft, man. 8 o'clock when me turn up in a show, cause I say I got a Burna Boy show. Go watch Burna Boy perform. 8 o'clock when I turn up in a show, I call Sharon and I say, where the Sharon? I say, still there at the hotel. You see me? I say, mama, so what me come here for? If you still there at the fucking hotel, I say, no man, enjoy yourself. Re. Bro, let me tell you something, dog. My voice, bro. 3 artists when me look up to in a game style me already. You know hear that? When me never style them, I don't know them. 3 artists in a game style me when me as a dancehall artist when me boss and look up to them. only artist ever reach out to me in a game is fucking Vibes Cartel. I say, yo, bad artist. You hear me just say to you? I'm a Vibes Cartel do tune. Respect you like Skilly Bang, respect you like Raggin King, respect you like Dexter Daps, respect you like Governor, respect you like Idonia. You have real people in the music. I have some boy a pussy in the music. You hear that? From when me want to talk my mind, I'm just there holy. I'm just feel like today the right time. Some boy a pussy in the music. Real pussy as a countryman, as a man from Mobi. Me can't tell you that. They don't want nobody bigger than them. They don't. But me no response for them little fans them and them little people want to say. Me they are all me own and me have my fan base see me and me sing real music. And me do good music. Me not watching nice eye market. If you don't see me fall off or me flop, me used to get 8 grand for a show, now me get 25 and 30 and 60 and 50 out there. So me good. So if I really little trending or little this me for watch, if I crab in a barrel me I do it for, me no feel like that a Teejay. You see me? Big woman thing. No for who no see I go like them really in the music. They don't. No for them do it for internet. No for them do it for clout. No for them do this for internet. Look for me good. Me go around them. Then try drain energy. Then try style people. Then try do some things. No for them. No, reality. Big up Gully God same way. You see me? Big woman thing. Straightforward. Me just got Kingston, Jamaica. One family. Facts them say Gully God say, you know me office say Gully God too. No matter what. As a legend, you see me? So big up Gully God, them youth, them not no at all against them youth there. But if me ever fi call name to them, man. You hear me I tell you? No for them only do this for internet. Swear from my heart, dog. We do this for love, we do this for real, bro. Bro, no feel say a joke thing me I tell you, man. I tell you some things, man. Well, we hold to we own, man, and I remember say, I say, we sing own a lane, man. Me not look no pity, man. Me not nobody sorry for me, man. You ever see me a big friend, man? You know, see some hold that, man. Them boy, once they realize say you're bad too, bro, then don't want you bigger than them, bro. And they keep big, bro. Look how much artists me see them build and kill same way, bro. But you no can't kill me. Me already got through the gate, and that a bono, no. Teejay make it through the gate already, and with people them who feel love with. Who feel love with? Love we already. You see me? So drop some new song you know and do the thing right way, how if you do. Big up yourself, Sharon Burke. Big up yourself, Solid Agent. My life in a problem and depths. You help and take it out. And sometimes it's not the big thing what people do face, the small little things that matter in our life. The small things. Big up Shaggy. You do song with me for my album. You're a real youth. Me can take up it on my head. One team, one dream. Solid Agency, me say UTC. Suck your mother, boy.